good morning, guys. How are you? It's a beautiful Monday. It's a chilly Monday, and right now I'm in the farm. I'm in the farm of BSF. Can you see how they're very active? You know, when the sun is out, they're very active. Yeah. So I'm here in the farm. It's a beautiful Monday, and I'm shooting this video at exactly 11:40 a.m. in the morning. It's almost 20 minutes to noon. So, guys, this is where I am. I'm on the farm. Like I told you, weekdays I'm here, weekends I'm somewhere else. Yes. So here they are. Can you see how they are very active? They are very active. Yeah. So guys, tell me, how are you doing? This is the farm. This is where we work. This is the machine we used to separate to remove rust with it. Yeah. Where are you watching this video? Actually, let me take this opportunity to thank every single of you who have been supporting me, who have been watching my videos, who have been subscribing to my channel, who have been liking my videos, and who have been commenting on my videos. It's been amazing. It's been overwhelming. I really appreciate the returning viewers, the returning subscribers. I don't have words to express, but I really appreciate and I really thank God for that. It's been an honor for me, and I really appreciate. Thank you guys for supporting me. Let's continue. Road to 200 subscribers. It's real. This is how they are active. Can you see them? You know, at first I thought they were biting. These things can't bite you. They're just very friendly. Can you see them? I've just cleaned up their mess. No, I was doing some cleaning. I was changing their water, cleaning it, and also changing their. Yes, I've been doing some 1, 2, 3 things. Yes, this is a hatchery. Yes, I've just hatched these ones today, like 2 hours ago. Yes, it was raining. Like I told you, weather of Nairobi is very unpredictable. It can rain now. Some few hours ago, it's shiny. It's sunshine. Yeah. So today I just want to show you how our farm is. So this is, you see this container, this white thing is water, and there's a towel on top of it. So this towel, you put a clean water, and then you put a towel, you cut on top of it, and then you put the towel inside, and then you leave some piece at. So that is the piece they just drink, and they have some sugar here. They just lick. Actually, this is a cage. This cage is where these things they just meet. They just meet, and what they normally do is to just hatch here. Here they just meet. Yeah. This is a good job for me. Yeah, I'm proud. I did this. Yeah. In just a month, and I've already known how these things operate. Yeah. What a blessing. What a blessing, man. We have like 74 containers here and 8. What a blessing, man. What a blessing. Chickens. The chickens are here. This is what I wanted you guys to see. Can you look how this cock is big? This cock is weighing almost 3 kg. I'm telling you the truth. This thing is big. I've never seen a huge cock. It's not even big, it's huge. I've never seen a huge cock like this. They're very friendly. I don't know if you can see them. They're very friendly. There's another cock here. You see, this one is very small than that one. So they're just eating. I want to give them food. want to give them food they eat. Give them food. You want to see how they're very... So they're very active. This is the love I have for chicken. Was that? See the way they are enjoying. I really love chicken. On a serious note, these things just... I really love chicken. You see how they're very fat and they're very healthy. This is my dream. Not like, you see, literally, I just want to maybe one day have a farm like... you see here, I'm working for someone. These are not mine. These are for someone. But this is what I've always admired and wanted in my life. Even if I just get a piece of land, I put chicken like this, and then I have like a dairy farm, cows, I have goats, chicken, I have like BSF, I have like what else? Pigs, fish, and then you see they look beautiful. They're just chilling, having some good time. Look how that cock is walking. It can't even run. It's very fat, it can't even run. Look at these birds. I really love these birds. Let me show you some. Can you see them? Can you, I don't know if can you feel the vibe I'm feeling? Can you see them? Why don't you just look at them? See how it's very beautiful. This is what I've always admired. The chicks are just playing, eating, enjoying life. These ones are here. Oh man, this is beautiful. I can watch this the whole day. Serious. I can just sit and watch this the whole day. I love nature. I want to just look how this cock is very huge. Just look at it. It's very fat and healthy. It has eaten BSF. I'm telling you. See the way the chicks are feeling nice. Some are just chilling. Let me show you some chicks again. We have some here. Can you see them? They're eating. These are small ones. They're like, I can say maybe 3 weeks or 4 weeks old. Can you see them? They're just enjoying, having good time. Yes, this is their food. Yeah. So this is our incubator. Yeah, inbuilt. This is another one. Actually, this is the incubator, and then this is another one where we put them to warm up themselves. This one was built, yeah. See how it's very nice. Yes, and this is the machine we use to grind for the BSF food. Yes, my boss also bought another one. We are planning to install it inside here or inside there. Starting January, we will start. Actually, on January. Actually, on January, we'll start producing animal feeds like chicken mash, layers mash, fish mash, pig mash. I'm always confused about pig and pork. Pork is a meat of pig, so I always like confusing. But yeah, so January we are starting to produce animal feeds, ento farms. I'm ento feeds. Yeah, so guys, right now I'm just in the farm. I've already finished work. I'm just feeding these beautiful chickens here. Kienyeji. These are pure kienyeji. Yeah, pure kienyeji. And I just love watching them. I just love seeing how they look healthy and beautiful. Like, I just love nature. Yeah, the breeze, man, it looks nice. Let me show you how it's beautiful. We have some bamboo tree here. Yeah, look how the clouds are very nice. The birds are just flying and enjoying life. Others are mating out inside there. Can you hear them say, ooh, ooh, ooh? I just love watching these things. It's a beautiful feeling. For me, I really like watching, and like, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, man. I don't know even what to say. Today I'm just happy watching these birds have fun. That's a male one and a female. Yes, the male is following the female. Beautiful, man. It's beautiful. They say don't count your wealth, count your blessing. I think these are the blessings. Since I started working here, I just love this environment. It's so calm. You can imagine now you have like 100 cows, 200 goats, you're in your farm, drinking milk. Oh man, it looks nice. It really looks nice, man. It really looks nice. I really like, I just love nature. See, on a serious note, let me show you these chicks. Now they're just enjoying good time. They're just having good time. See, they don't have any problem. Other chickens will just run away. These ones are very friendly because they know I'm not harmless. I'm a friendly person. I give them food. Those are just enjoying, having some breeze. They've already eaten. So they're like, oh guys, we're just here chilling behind the trees or under the tree. See them? So guys, I think that's it for today. It's a wrap. I want to end this video here. And before I end, I want to take this opportunity to thank every one of you who have been showing me love and support. Kindly, if you are watching my video, share it, like, comment. Yeah, let's go road to 200 subscribers this December. 250 in fact. Yes. And let's spread love, positive vibe. This during festive season. Yeah, whatever you have, enjoy with your friends, neighbor. Yeah, don't let your friends go hungry or what. Just learn to share. Yes. So I think I have to end this video here. Tomorrow we'll do another one, same place, same time. Yes. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's been overwhelming. And then to Team Marwa, thank you guys for always showing me positive vibe. I really appreciate. Bye bye. See you tomorrow, same place, same time. It's your boy, I'm underscore Alphonse, the village boy in the town, in the city of Nairobi, the biggest city in Eastern and Central Africa. Bye bye. Love you guys.